Welcome back everyone. Before jumping on the experiment that we are going to learn at the core concept of the dual nature of matter and radiation, we need to learn one more basic thing that comes in our way. So let's learn about emission. So what emission actually means is emitting out electron. So when electron gets emitted out from its orbit, so that is known as emission. So what kind of the emissions we do have? We have thermonic emission, field emission, and photoelectric emission. Photoelectric one we have seen a little bit about that already. So let's quickly finish up these things and let's start with the thermonic emission. So what with the thermonic emission we mean? Thermal means heat. So whenever you heat up any metal X, so at a certain point, certain heating point, electron will get out from this point to this point. Electron comes out from its orbit. Because of the excessive heat, electron jumps from one orbit to another, and finally the final orbit's electron or the valence shell's electron goes out. So this simple phenomena is known as thermonic emission. Surely it is very difficult to happen in non-metal. So what we study in here is about the metals, and especially the metals that have last electron as 1 or 2, and that too in the bigger ones, like at least have 2 orbits or 3 orbits or more. The more the orbit, the easier it gets. Why? Because the distance from the nucleus becomes more, so it already becomes weak. If the skinning effect is there, means the other electron is there, so it's already repelling, so it easily comes out of its orbit. So this is the thermonic emission. With a little heat or more heat, you can take the electron out from its orbit. So this is all about thermonic emission. In the next one we are going to see the emission of the second kind, which is our field emission. So stick with me, stay tuned. God